Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good. I'm fine, thank you very much. And just coming on quickly to do a mini haul that I got from Poundland, which are washi tapes. These are what Poundland has got at the moment. A member of the family done a little haul for me at Poundland and brought them, and I was so happy. So this is what's in right now in Poundland with the washi tapes. I don't want to take them out of the case as yet because I need to find somewhere to put them. So that's that one. And then we have this one as well. This one has got Enjoy the Little Things with the pineapples, and this one says Oh Happy Day. Really lovely. That one's Enjoy the Little Things and that one's Oh Happy Days, and I'm really loving them. Really loving them. They're lovely. I was so happy when I got those. And then this one's really nice as well. It's got marble. Yeah, marble, I'd say. Beautiful. So that's what Poundland has got right now, and I thought I'd do a quick video letting you know so you can run out and grab some. And these are rose gold. These three, yep, rose gold foiled, and these ones are sort of like a mink colour. Absolutely lovely. And then this one is gold foil. There's 1, 2, 3 gold foils. That one's a plain one, and this one has got the diamonds on it. And this one's got just circles on that. Really beautiful. And this one here says love with the love heart.
So I think they're beautiful.
So if you haven't got these already, you need to rush out and get them if you're into your washi tapes, which I am. Love washis. So that's that. Let's see if I can bring it a bit closer. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Trying to get it focused. Lovely. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload my new videos. Take care now. Bye.